Hi friends, today we will check some of the few simple tips and exercises to keep your neck strong and healthy. Have you noticed that most of the time the posture of the neck is always drooping or to the downwards or thanks to our phone, to sideways, all kind of weird postures that you see, and the result you feel a lot of tension and pain around your neck muscles and your upper shoulder girdle. How to avoid? Every day make it a point to do simple exercises as simple as keeping your shoulders squared and relaxed, and turn your neck onto the right shoulder without tilting. Control your shoulder girdle and gently turn to your right and come to the center and twist to the left and come to the center. Do these movements 10 to 15 reps very slowly without any jerks and without any up movements. And second one, the same thing, tuck your chin towards your chest, pause and gently come to the center and take it up to the ceiling. And one more thing what you can also do while doing this exercise, when you're taking it up, you can as well jut your chin towards the ceiling, like pull it up and press and release. Add a simple extra thing so that you can feel the stretch of your neck muscles, and that also helps to regulate your thyroid gland. Multiple exercises. The similar way you tuck your chin, rotate to the right, and the same way do it to the left. So we do it clockwise, anti-clockwise. I'm sure all these exercises you're aware of it and you know how to do it. But only the common mistakes is, if you are already suffering with spondylitis or any kind of pain, please do not go for these exercises. Just go for a simple exercises. Spread your fingers, place it on the side of your face and gently press. Why gently? Use as much force as you can and you press, but don't allow the neck to tilt. With using your neck muscles, you resist the movement. And this can be done on all the four angles, twisting backwards, and the same thing, place the palms on the forehead and press it forward. You feel all the neck muscles contracting, and that really strengthens, and practicing this daily, you will see a lot of difference and there's no pain. It's all gone. So very simple, isn't it? It's in your hands. Do it. Takes about 5 minutes daily and see the result for yourself.